full locust, Poorna Salabasana. Bring your arms out from your shoulders and then slide them back maybe a handprint so they're not straight out like a cross, but just angled slightly back. Your legs stay together, squeezing together. So your inner calves, your big toe bones, your inner thighs, everything's squeezing against that midline. A deep breath in, your chin is centered on the mat. Exhale your breath. And your next inhale lifts your limbs, your chin, your chest, as many pieces of as you can. Your eyes are up again because that helps to continue lifting your chest. This strengthens your entire backside and connects all the pieces again from your upper, middle, low back to your legs. Take a deep breath and lift one more rib. Let your thumbs turn up a little bit so you have outward rotation in your shoulders, and slowly come back down. The space that you build in that posture by arching your back opens up the front of your chest again so that you don't have that hump shape in your spine.